I'm just a part of everything. I stand on two legs and I learn to sing. It's not what was said and it's not what I heard. I walk with my dog and I whistle with the bird. Stuff coming out, stuff going in. I'm just a part of everything. Stuff coming out, stuff going in. I'm just a part of everything. So we think we really live apart, 'cause we got two legs, a brain and a heart. We all belong to everything, to the octopus suckers and the buzzard's wing, to the elephant's trunk and the buzzing bee's sting. Stuff coming out, stuff going in. I'm just a part of everything. I'm just a part of everything. Baby, I learn like a seed, spread out my tubers wherever I need. I find any way to attach and connect, and I run like water, no cause or effect. I got stuff coming out and stuff going in. I'm just a part of everything. Stuff coming out and stuff going in. I'm just a part of everything. When the panting is over and the warmth has run out, love will be flowing, I have no doubt. With the vehicle in neutral and the ground to be faced, I'll be all laid to rest in my proper place. Into the roots of an old oak tree, where life can move freely in and out of me. With stuff coming out and stuff going in. I'm just a part of